ALS, and you'll hear that pull shortly at T-minus 33 seconds.
T-minus 1 minute following personnel report go, no go for ALS, AEA, PEA,
Go.
AGA,
Go.
REA,
Go.
NEA,
Go.
NPC. Vehicle and speech systems are go for ALS.
And you, at this point, you see basically the water system has come on full bore.
All right, T-minus 30, we're in ALS.
And you just got the official start of ALS. Next up is the hydrogen burn-off igniters come on at 12 seconds before T0.
FRS, red line back to H-boys on.
Go for engine start.
H-boys are on, and engine starts has been okay. Engine starting up now.
And all personnel, we've got engine start, and we're into the plus count. All personnel, please continue to monitor your systems, and grass is in control. Plus 60 seconds starting TBC profile number 1. Again, first now we've got a fire indicator. Everyone go ahead and ATS. So ATS. And copy, do you want me to hold down ATS? I copy that. Can you cancel it out? With the TBC per month profile, remember? Okay, 30 seconds starting the FRT profile.
We're about 3.5 minutes into the plus count.
Okay, personnel are still good. That's a facility issue. And it's a huge personnel. T plus 4 minutes 30 seconds. I'll shoot in the FRT profile. Hot mic in 16. T plus 5 minutes.
We're just over 5.5 minutes in the plus count.
T plus 6 minutes. Still have it open mic in 16. Gotcha.
And several CRC errors were still good.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any TCC violations, so okay, we're good. Thanks, sir.
We're coming up on 7 minutes of the plus count.
T plus 7 minutes. And T plus 7 minutes 30 seconds, starting TBC profile number 2. T plus 8 minutes. And then the TBC profile number 2.
All right, so we're just over 8 minutes into the plus count.
Well, personnel are coming up hopefully on the last depletion here, and we have a cutoff. All right. REA, can you verify REA on channel 16? REA on channel 16, verify safe engine shutdown, please.
Safe engine shutdown.
And you're in post shutdown standby, correct?
Correct.
Okay, all personnel, that takes us to page 656. All personnel go to page 656 to start the post-hot fire shutdown securing operations.
All right.
Okay, all personnel on page
Bill, as you said
656,
earlier, as we talked about earlier, the team was hoping to get at least 4 minutes of data. And we All right, they are proceeding with their shutdown procedures now. As we said earlier, the team was hoping to get at least 4 minutes of data, and they did get more than 8 minutes, excuse me. So they should have gotten what they need. The team will obviously need to look at that data, but based on what we've seen, Bill, tell us more about what it looked like to you.
Yeah, so they clearly got the full duration that they were after, which is really great news, and I think you heard the applause. They had, the commanded shutdown, which is exactly what they were looking for. They had no TCC violations, test commit criteria violations that would have prompted an early shutdown. So that was really good news. Clearly there's a lot of data that's going to have to be analyzed. The engineers got to see what worked and what didn't, or what needs to be tweaked and what doesn't. But that said, I think the applause says a lot about how the team feels, that they got through the test, and it looks pretty good right now. Yeah, so there was some, observed burning on the aft end. One of the things that Boeing had done after the last test was to apply a lot of extra cork to the aft end, because we aren't going to